The positive outlook in the Delegated Underwriting Authority enterprise market is reflective of the sustained growth seen globally over the last several years and expectation for continued growth and profitability in the near to midterm. Despite certain capacity constraints experienced over the last year, AM Best research suggests DUAEs are expanding their share of premium written across the broader insurance market, while new entrants keep growing in number. The market has more than doubled in the past decade on a global basis, and in the US alone, we've identified that DUAEs have generated premiums written of over $65 billion as of 2022. The growth has been fueled in part by the hard market for most lines of business, which has offered opportunities for DUAEs to thrive and will allow them to capture more market share. Furthermore, recent growth in the segment has been attributable to the role DUAEs play in insurance distribution outside the US, specifically in Europe and Asia Pacific. Technology and talent continue to drive innovation in the Delegated Underwriting Authority enterprise market. Significant investments in technology allow DUAEs to better analyze data in volatile markets and attract talent from the tech industry. Talent is drawn to DUAEs in a way that insurers struggle to rival. Competition for talent from the traditional market and beyond is expected to remain tight as the segment continues to attract diverse sources of capital. All these favorable trends support the positive outlook that AM Best has placed on the Delegated Underwriting Authority enterprise market. Going forward, we expect much of the same in terms of trends we've seen over the last few years. We expect to see continued growth on a global basis. Established DUAE players in the US and UK are looking to extend their operations by growing and diversifying into other countries. This has led to several new startups and acquisitions of existing businesses by DUAE groups based outside the US. AM Best expects this trend to continue and to drive further growth in global markets. DUAEs will continue to bring their specialized underwriting skills and market expertise to emerging and evolving risks. While we saw a pullback of capacity, specifically in cat-exposed property lines over the last year or two, we did not witness a sector-wide pullback for DUAE source business in 2023 and do not expect one in 2024. We expect DUAEs to continue to foster long-term relationships with capacity partners. There have been notable increases in profit-sharing structures as well as significant growth in DUAEs forming captives to take part of the business they are handling as capacity partners look for greater alignment. It's important to note that various headwinds that could potentially impact the growth and profitability prospects of the market. Fronting companies have provided access for more reinsurance participation as reinsurers' appetite for DUAE business remains firm. However, recent incidents in the fronting space at this time have yet to completely play out, and these hiccups may have an impact on DUAE capacity moving forward. The segment is also not immune to macroeconomic challenges either. For DUAEs directly, the inflationary environment continues to be an obstacle to meeting expense budgets and targets over the near term. Social inflation has also challenged DUAEs in certain lines of business. At this time, these headwinds appear manageable, but AM Best will continue to closely monitor the impact of these headwinds on the overall DUAE market.